Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. How's everybody doing out there tonight? Getting everything set up. I'm just about finished, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about the wait. Alright, so what we got going on today, guys? What's up, Caesar C? What's up, Mr. Rick? How's everybody doing? We got Jason Gregory in the house. Aunt S. Let me get the screen right. Alright, we're about to get rocking. What's up, Shape? How you doing, my friend? I am chilling, man, watching these charts run up. We had an absolute crazy day, guys. A lot of crazy stuff went happen in the markets, just everywhere. We saw Coinbase, Telegram, and WhatsApp went down today, along with a bunch of other Facebook platforms. Multiple other platforms were reporting slow as well. It's just been an absolute kind of chaotic day. Crypto's up, the stock market's down. A lot of weird movers in the market. One being Shiba Inu. You know, that thing was up as much as 75% today. And wow, that's all I can really say about Shiba Inu is just blowing people's minds away right here. Like the gains on Shiba are man, that's remember I was talking to y'all about, yeah, I'm waiting for a good price to get in. Well, that's kind of how you get burnt. I waited too long, and this thing already had a pretty good run up. So I will eventually pick me up some. I'll wait for a little pullback from this major run up we're seeing, which it's currently sitting up 53% from that 74-75% gains we saw today. So we'll see. I'm still looking to get an entry point on Shiba. That's what happens when you miss the boat trying to be cheap on stuff. I wasn't expecting 52% in one day. That's wow. You know, that's some big gains. So if you FOMO'd into Shiba, or if you're already holding Shiba, congratulations. I really hope you're sitting on some pretty nice tendies on that area of the map right there. But let's see. What's up, Crypto Profit? How you doing, man? Happened to me in April. Bought and forgot. So you bought some Shiba back then, NS? Let me see what's going on with Spotify. Give me 1 second. Let me get the music. Let me get this going real quick, guys. Something Give me 1 second, guys. I'm having some technical difficulties on this end. That goes back to when I first started streaming. Sorry about that. I was having some real technical difficulties. I hopped on the mic and then my Spotify completely crashed out on me, so I apologize about that. It was doing some upgrades on the stream, and apparently Spotify is not responding. Maybe that's one of the platforms that are having issues today, along with multiple other platforms completely going down. I think Twitter didn't really have any issues, but Facebook and a bunch of other platforms were absolutely getting wrecked today. So thank you for sitting here while I worked out those technical difficulties. What's up, Eagle 3? How you doing, man? Good to see you back in the chat. We're seeing a pretty nice day on crypto. Couldn't quite break that 50K mark on Bitcoin, but that's okay, guys. I'm fully expecting, if we continue this, possibly a break into tomorrow, maybe even toward the end of the week, but I'm hoping for tomorrow. That's really the price point that I'm looking for. But Dogecoin actually looking really bullish right now, guys. On the 30-minute chart, some real nice stair-stepping action up. Some say we're getting rejected pretty hard right here, but look what happened right here. We had that big pump up, came all the way back down to almost where we started, and then we climbed up, stair step, did it again. It's looking very bullish right now. I think Doge continues to climb. Yeah, we might see some pullback to 23 cent range. We're currently sitting at 23.91, but we're up 10.67% on the day. So very nice to see that as a pretty big mover for the day. We got Cardano 2.19%. Grayscale actually came out today and reported that they believe ADA is actually undervalued. So that's either they have a large position in ADA, or they're currently have a good position. They're currently adding, maybe try to get the price pumping. Who knows? But very good when you hear Kathy Woods and Grayscale and all, a big ETF like that come on and say, hey, ADA's actually really undervalued, and ADA's getting to a pretty critical points in the charts, which we'll touch base on here in a few minutes, to where we are looking to break to the upside, and that could possibly mean a retest of the $3 range, which was sitting around the all-time high for ADA coming up. So we'll touch base on that, and we'll talk about a little bit Solana. They got a FXT program coming in with Solana, to where you can link your debit card to purchase NFTs off the platform, and that would be very big for Solana. Make it a lot easier for the average people to go on there, link their debit card, and possibly purchase NFTs. So I think Solana is going to be a pretty decent runner in the next coming weeks, somewhere maybe mid Pumptober, because that's the month we're sitting in right now, guys. It's starting to heat up pretty well. Everything's looking nice. Yes, the stock market's down. I understand that. Crypto's moving, and but I'll take it. I will take it. We had a horrible month in September. The stock's still a little bit, stock's still a lot better. So we're kind of seeing a flip-flop going on here. But nonetheless, I am expecting a break for Bitcoin to the upside come shortly to get that break above 50K. But always have in the back of your mind the possibility of some type of flash crash coming. You never know when a deal like that can happen. Let me see. All right. What's up, Jen? How you doing? We're just doing a quick live stream tonight. We'll do some TA on some charts and talk about a few things. Hope everybody's out there making some pretty wonderful attendees today. Thank you guys for supporting me all the time. I really do appreciate it. We just passed 1,620 subscribers, so that's a big deal for me. Maybe not for some people, but I really do appreciate each and every one of y'all. Pretty big accomplishment for me, so thank y'all. You're fine with the flip-flop? I got you, man. So yeah, I think ADA having the news for Grayscale is going to be really good for ADA. I think we're going to slowly start to climb up here from this point on, unless we see some type of flash crash, which is unpredictable. And I keep saying that because, in the back of my mind, whenever we do have these really big run-ups, I start fearing that. Why is Shiba running 53%? Is it because of Floki? Probably so. Dogecoin's moving 10% too as well. I mean, this Floki picture just, basically broke the Twitter space for Dogecoin, Shiba. I didn't even look at Floki coin. There's actually a Floki coin. So maybe I'll look into that in a little bit, but I won't be investing any in Floki. I will be looking to get some Shiba, but as you guys know, I've been talking about possibly adding some Shiba for a long time. Never quite happened, and now I'm missing 53% gains. But it's okay, guys. I think Shiba is promising. It really is. I think the future for Shiba is bright, and I will be adding me some to hold for quite some time. You can get it pretty cheap. I think you know, if you can get 100 million, it gets to, you know, half a cent. You're sitting on 500,000 bucks. So I'll be looking to add me some and hold for the long term. Just sad that I missed this pretty decent run up today. That would be a, like, if I was holding Shiba right now, I would be looking to maybe offload a little bit, unless it can, you know, be sustainable at this range. Who knows? We'll find out here tomorrow. AVAX down 3% today, so that was kind of a kicker for the day. Solana down slightly, but Solana has some pretty good news happening with it. I'm fully bullish on Solana again. I think you'll see it back in the 200 range sometime this month, along with Ethereum. I think we'll start touching that 4K level at some point soon, guys. We'll just have to see how the markets react for the rest of the week. Like I said, the stock market's down, crypto market's up, so we'll see what happens. Floki was my favorite character on Vintage. He did a, yeah, I like some Floki. I think it's a cool little dog he got. Alright, so Dogecoin, let's hop over here to the 5-minute chart, see what's going on. So we are breaking those, making a little bit higher highs, higher lows. Maybe look to consolidate some point within this range. As of late, we are getting a little bit of a sell-off. The RSI is starting to make some lower highs, maybe reloading. Maybe we get a retest of this 200-day moving average, which will probably be around above 23 cents by the time the candlesticks actually go to meet that. But as of right now, currently the RSI is sitting at 38, which, you know, off the 5-minute, you're looking oversold. Let's check the 4-hour and see what's going on. So pretty much on the 4-hour, you're actually riding that 200-day moving average. So a big move maybe into tomorrow could signify really bullish activity going on with Dogecoin. So I'd really like to see that happening here shortly, possibly into tomorrow. I think that would put Bitcoin over 50K. If we do see those levels actually start to rise above there, I need to look at the Bitcoin chart and see what the 4-hour is actually at, if we're kind of riding the same scenario right here, or what the hell is going on. But we'll take a look at that here in a few minutes. Crypto Profit says I'm up 60 bucks on my Shiba. Hey man, that's a green day. I'll take it. Jason Gregory says, man, I missed on Shiba. I bought more to average up. It's all good, man. Got Mr. One Shot in the house. What's up? Thank you very much for tuning in. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see if my stuff's working yet. Give me 1 second to get this loaded up. All right, man. We're having issues across the board today, so sorry about that. Having some technical difficulties as soon as I logged on the stream, so I greatly apologize for that. But as of right now, Dogecoin hit a high of 24.88 right here, so we're gonna pop a level right there, kind of signify that next little spot that we're actually looking for on the charts. as a possible breakout level. I think you could see some pretty good price action move in once you get that break over that 24.88, 24.90 range. I think eventually once we get that retest of 25 would be the big mover for it. Possibly put a, I mean, there's not much in the way. I mean, we flash crash right here. So I think I'm expecting a pretty good bullish move to the upside here shortly, guys. This is the level we were at. I think you move from 25 to 27 pretty quickly, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that line right there. So be on the lookout for that. A break above 25 cents. I think Dogecoin is absolutely gonna rip back to 27. Then probably you know, it might be a possible sell point, buy back in lower. We'll touch base on that when actually that does happen. I want to confirm the break to the upside though. So the major level I'm looking for is 25.50 or 25 cents even. So we'll be keeping an eye out for that. Let's go over here. Let's check out some Shiba for all you Shiba holders out there. Let's see. Why isn't the chart coming up? There we go, finally. So this is the 4-hour chart for Shiba. I mean, looking really bullish. You can see after these big pumps and these big peaks, you usually sell back off to a level where you almost were before you took off. That's what a little concerns me about Shiba. On the 4-hour chart, I like to see a pretty nice little flag waving in the wind, but I don't think we're gonna get it. I think right now, if you're holding some Shiba, might be a decent price point to maybe take some tendies. I think you'll see some retracement into tomorrow. Who knows? Tomorrow could be a real green day for crypto. We'll stay at these levels and continue working our way up. But nonetheless, that is a really nice move up. As high as up 75% today. What a day for Shiba Inu. Yeah, I wish I would have picked me up some, but you know I did not. So that's what I'm saying. You miss out on days like this, but you see the big pop and you come back to almost the level you were at right before the pop, trade sideways, big pop. I'm fully expecting the same thing. As you can see on this rundown, you absolutely fell below the 200-day move, the 14, all you moving averages right here. So we'll see what happens. If this run continues, this could be just the start for Shiba. If you get more FOMO hyping in, but we'll keep a close eye on it. Bitcoin is the major coin that I'm watching right now, just for the simple fact that the whole market's absolutely following it. But we are breaking past these levels of support and resistance pretty well right now. It looks very good. Looks really good. I'm feeling like we're getting a turnaround for Pumptober. I think it's going to be a very good month for crypto, guys. It's not, I don't feel like it's too late to be adding to your position right now. Let me see, 68 on the RSI on the 4-hour. So I mean, this thing is approached, you know, you're in overbought territory right here. So maybe a little pullback on Bitcoin in the short term, possibly get it to you know, pretty much where we're at, 49.2 right there. I don't think we're gonna see 48.3. We'll see what happens tomorrow. 48.3, you got some strong support, but I'm really hoping we hold up at this level and continue to bounce and really get some movement happening in the market that could bring us all back to some pretty good tendy territory very quickly, guys. We've been sitting in the red for quite some time. I think it's time to get this MACD to flip. This RSI is really heated up right now. I think we consolidate within this range and continue to look for another leg up. That's what we've been saying down here. We found some consolidation off this bull flag. Absolutely ripped up consolidation. Tried to rip, got rejected, and now we're working our way back up. So everything about Bitcoin in the short term, 4-hour chart looks very bullish right now. Could be a nice cup and handle forming. A nice little rocket looking to set up here shortly, guys. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on Bitcoin over here. Let's check out some XRP, see what that did today. There was a little update with the lawsuit. Pretty much they're gonna let the retail, the people are actually holding XRP into the lawsuit, kind of like a class action thing. I don't think they'll actually get a shot at you know, speaking in court. I don't think it'll even go on that long. they're allowing XRP holders to be a part of the lawsuit. So putting a lot of pressure on the SEC. So I'm fully hoping this thing is over with shortly. The XRP I am holding, I'm looking to, you know, you can probably sell it between $3 and $5 after the news of the lawsuit. I think you'll see it's significantly higher than the 104 kind of area, what you're looking at right now. So definitely, guys, pick you up some XRP if it's possible. XRP, you can swap it for Tether on KuCoin. And just get yourself some XRP. Even if it's just a little bit, it's going to treat you extremely, extremely well in the future. And of course, everything you hear here is not financial advice, but I just, you know, want to give people a good place to look out for. I talked about Shiba personally. Never bought none into it the past couple weeks, and look, it ran 53% today. So I really do have the feeling about XRP and Solana too in the short term, because Solana, with that FXT program coming on to where you can buy NFTs with your debit card linked to account instead of having to go through all these processes, it's really going to help the price of Solana in the short term, guys. So it's really, really going to get the price rocking on Solana. I think you'll be back in the 200s. AVAX too. I think AVAX hops back on track. It's having a little bit red day today, but that's okay. AVAX is a very promising play, guys, so make sure to have that one on your radar. All right, let me catch back up with the chat. I see we got some super chats coming in from Mr. One Shot GT. Once again, my brother coming in hot with two $10 super stickers, man. Thank you very much for showing up. Always supporting the stream, man. Much love, my brother. Much love. I see One Shot. He told me he picked up some XRP as well. He was once a holder. He is once again an XRP part of the army. So, man, thank you for supporting the stream, man. Jason Gregory says mass market Bitcoin could break 50K tonight. It's still on the uptrend. Yeah, man, it's very possible. I mean, it could happen in the next 5 minutes, to be honest with you. I'm just being a little bit more conservative, saying tomorrow. I'm very well prepared to wake up to 50K. You know, and I think once we get that break over 50K, I'm getting a little cautious above that 50K range until we really start breaking 53, get to 55. Just because them flash crashes that are usually happening in the markets once we get above these big levels of resistance that we've been sitting on top of for so long. You know, that last time we crossed 50K, we got to 53, we got rejected all the way back. So really took the market by surprise, that flash crash. And, you know, do I think they'll do it again? It's possible, but my mind's always in the back of my mind, like I'm seeing these signals on the charts. I saw a breakdown the last time the flash crash did happen. Let me see if I can show you on the XRP chart. Not so much on the XRP chart, but when we hit that high, we did start to break that trend and work our way down, and then we absolutely got beat down on that Tuesday across the board. So it's very nice to see everything working its way back up, getting us back to some tendy territory, guys. I'm fully expecting a pretty nice run up for the rest of the week, possibly into the weekend. A lot of it's going to be off the heels of Solana. Once this deal breaks with the FXT program, that's going to be big news for Solana, guys. Now, if ADA can get its ecosystem together a little bit better and really start pushing this NFT stuff, I think ADA could probably outperform Solana, but it's yet to be seen yet. Lots of great things happening with ADA. Grayscale came out today for all the people just tuning in, said ADA is actually undervalued right now, and that's a big thing for a company to come out like Grayscale and, you know, report that they think ADA is undervalued. So if they think ADA is undervalued at 220, ADA is actually at a pretty good point. Let me pull up the charts on ADA. I think it was on a 4 hour. Ah, man, I had my lines popped and they're not there. Let me see if I can pop something. It's gonna look a little jumbled up right here because I got all these lines right there. Pretty much like that. See, I don't like how it's all jumbled up. Hold on. I'll repop these later. So we're getting to a point that's close enough. I had it really popped really nice on my other charts, but this line right here, we're pretty much riding the top end of this this wedge we're coming up to, and we're on an ascending level of support. So I really do think we get a break to the upside that could possibly force ADA back to some all-time highs around $3 this level right here. Once we do get the break above this, get above that 200-day, because that's going to be a level of resistance right there as well. So 200-day moving average is 240. So I'm fully expecting a breakup any day now on ADA from 220 to 240. Maybe look to consolidate within that range, and then look for another pop-up back to that $3 range, possibly 280. We'll see what happens in the short term, but those are the levels I'm looking for on Cardano. Maybe even into this weekend. So we'll see what happens and see if that actually holds true. Let me get this pop back over here. Get a new chart set up. Get that taken down. Because as of late, Bitcoin's been running late. Like we did that late live stream the other night. It's just running really late. On the 1 minute on Doge. So yeah, I mean, we're moving pretty freaking nice right here. Let me set the charts back up. Right here. One shot, man. Thank you very much, dude. Got 2 more $5 super stickers coming in hot from my boy One Shot GT, man. Thank you very much for supporting the stream, my brother. I typically like to roll with the 14-day white, the 50-day that shade of green, and the 200-day that bright yellow kind of gives you a real good idea where everything's at. Of course, you can pick your own colors and stuff like that. That's just the ones I like to rock with. So you can see on the 5-minute, really bullish. You got the 200-day still hanging around 22.94, but doesn't mean we're gonna go back to retest that. Even though the RSI is really oversold, it's due for a pop here. So you can watch the RSI too on the charts. Kind of predict these little run-ups. I can't go that far back. Yeah, I can. So you can see how you started making, you had some really good pop in the chart right here. Come down, but you start making some higher highs, and then you consolidate, and then you absolutely rip up. So I watched the RSI kind of like a chart. So it cooled off. Of course, you're having some selling off from this top up here. But it could be reheating right here and reloading to bring you up that next leg up above that 25-cent range if the bullish momentum that we're actually riding right now actually continues, guys. So I do fully expect it to continue. There's nothing to tell me right now that nothing is stopping us right here. And I think we see in that reversal that we've all been waiting for, guys. It didn't come in the form of the infrastructure bill like I was thinking, but nonetheless, it is here. I think I want to delete that. We are seeing that reversal, and I'm feeling more confident to adding into the market right now. I think we're at a very good price point. I think the whole month of October will be pretty nice. That's not to say we're not going to have any red days throughout the whole month, but that's just to say that I think October is going to be a really decent month for gains over dollar. So we'll see what happens. Ant S, dude, coming in hot with a $5 super sticker, dude. It says try again. Thank you very much, Ant S, man. Really appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for supporting the stream. For the Solana info, what do you think a good price to get in? Man, depending on tomorrow, let me go ahead and pull up a big chart on Solana for you, my friend. Hey, Lollipop, how you doing, man? I just typed your name in the ticker symbol. I don't know if anybody caught that. So a good price point for me. I mean, man, it's you're riding just underneath 175. So where are we currently sitting at? 166. Man, it's you're gonna have to keep your eye on this if you're looking to get in. As of right now, just the last 5 minutes right here, we're getting a pretty big red candle. Break under 165, 590, I would hold off. Looking for an entry point, kind of see where you end up bouncing at. You could bounce at 165.50. That would be a pretty decent entry point, but if you get the break to the downside, I would hold off and see kind of where you bounce at. But I don't think it'll be too much further down from where you're sitting at. 165.72. Wait, we're getting that retest right now. 165.580. I mean, that's pretty decent little, since we came down, we've rode this level of support pretty well. 1, 2, 3, getting that fourth retest right now, so we'll see what happens. One shot says, Solana, you should get in on any dip. Hey, guys, I told people about Solana at 72 on this channel, and it blew to 215. I'm feeling good about it again. I think it's about to go back to possibly run past that. I think that FXT situation going on with Solana is going to make it super easy for people to actually buy NFTs off their network, and it's just going to really make the crypto pop. The NFT play with Solana, the ecosystem, the smart contracts are what you're investing in. I think that's going to be a very good investment. Rick says Shiba is running in it. If you're long, my price is $500 to $700 on Solana. I fully agree, man. I think you'll see some really nice prices on Solana, man. Shiba is running, guys. Oh, getting over that 50-day moving average right here. I'm sorry, I gotta go back to Solana real quick. Right when I was SOL right there. Yep, I just saw that break. So 164, you see, that's why I'm saying you want to wait for that level to see if you actually did get a bounce, and you're getting rejected. So your next 5-minute candle is really going to tell you a lot. Was that a false break? It could quite possibly be. That could be a decent buying opportunity, or it can continue to break down. Let's see where we're at. I think that's a decent buying opportunity in itself right now. Right where it's sitting at is not financial advice, but if I'm looking to enter into Solana, I bought some at 84 before when I was telling everybody at 72. I waited a little bit and it ran to 210. But I think Solana right here could be a damn good entry point. 162, you have some really decent support. Let's see where we're at. $162, you got some pretty decent support right there. But I think you're gonna. It's just my personal opinion. I think you're gonna. You know, you came down to 162, bounce all the way back up to 172. $10 change in the price. You know, kind of fell out a little bit. Tried to consolidate. You might be breaking down, but you might be continuing that ascending level of support right here. So that next 5-minute candle is actually starting to turn green. It's not looking bad. 162, like if I was getting in right now, I would look for 162 to possibly, if you break below 162, possibly maybe pull a little bit out and regain back in if you would see a bigger dip on it. But me personally, you might get this reversal right back up above it, especially with the great news you got coming out about Solana. 25 cents coming for Dogecoin. Lollipop, that's what I was talking about earlier, man. If you just tuned in, I was saying I think Dogecoin, the level for it to really break above is 25 cents before we move to 27 pretty quickly. There's not much in the way because of that flash crash that happened, so there's not too much resistance for us to really hit between that time period, unless you go way back to the beginning of the year. But we kind of flew past those levels too, so there's not much in the way. I'd be in Solana if I could. Money's tight right now. Solana, I'm gonna go. I hear you, Crypto Profit. We got Mr. One Shot GT. Let me see if this works, man. Give you a shout out. Thank you, Mr. One Shot GT, for that $20 super sticker, my friend. Thank you very much. Okay. I don't know if that worked or not. It should have echoed. But thank you, dude. I really appreciate you, man. So I have 2.5 million Shiba. Hell yeah. Mr. Rick, I know you're holding some Shiba, man. Hopefully you're sitting up pretty freaking nice, my friend. Up as high as 74% today. Hope you're sitting really nice, my friend. You see what I get for postponing and not doing what I thought I needed to do back when we had that flash crash on that Tuesday. Even OMG said in the chat, it's probably a good time to buy you some, but I don't buy when I'm live, and I didn't get to it, and I missed out on some tendies, but it's okay. We found it. There's more to come. Look at XRP. XRP is absolutely gonna, I think it's gonna run to $3 to $5 when this lawsuit comes up. We got a little bit longer to go. You know, I was feeling September. Now I was thinking maybe October. It might even be November, to be honest with you. I think you have a little bit longer time to load the boat, which is not necessarily a bad thing because it gives you more time to load the boat. Like, you don't have to just go all in and FOMO in. You might get some at 104. You might get some at 99 cents. You know, you might get some at 115. Who knows? But 130 is a really big breakout level for XRP. And I think the more I accumulate before we get to that point of 130 is better for me, because you will get that retest of 130 at the least. Rick says, Shiba, I have 386 million. So you probably purchased somewhere around what, $1,300 of it. Jason says, I'm ready to be a millionaire. I'm dreaming big. Eagle dropping that inspiration. Dream on, Jason. It will come. You stick around with crypto long enough, man, it will definitely make you wealthier than what you can imagine, my friend. If you'd have been buying Bitcoin in the beginning, just imagine that, you know. Eagle 3 says, I am with you. I have 400 million. Looks great today. So y'all guys pretty much put around $1,000 into it at some point, huh? Yes, got you, Rick. I was doing the math earlier. Not contemplating FOMOing in, but contemplating FOMOing in. I didn't do it yet. The trader inside me says I'm not going to buy it 50%, but there's a chance that it could absolutely run tomorrow another 40%. You know, you get the FOMO, the hype. We all saw Elon Musk tweet the Floki. Doge is up 10%. Shiba's up. Let me throw up the Shiba chart. So guys, it could still be a little reverse right here on Solana. That could be a decent entry point. Shiba. Let's give it a quote. 59%. So it's starting to taper back down. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing on the 5-minute. I think it's still looking beautiful. It's trying to consolidate within this range. Still on an ascending level of support. I mean, you could get the break tonight and you wake up to 51, 52 Bitcoin. It's very possible. Like the other day, Friday, like I told y'all, my buddy called me. He said Bitcoin's above, you know, Bitcoin's 47. And I just got off the stream at midnight and I was like, dude, I ain't even had my coffee yet. Don't mess with me. And that's what happened, guys. That's how fast this shit can absolutely rip. So be on the lookout for it. 8 on the 5-minute, 30-minute chart, looking to get over $2.21. Very possible tonight, especially if we continue this ascending level of support across the whole crypto market that we're seeing, while stocks are, you know, taking a beating right now. I didn't even look at some of the crypto mining stocks today. We might take a peek at some of them. What's up, Kappa Jones? Have over a little 9 million Shiba, setting up some old laptops to mine it for me. Kappa Jones getting into the Shiba mining, guys. Hey, that's pretty cool, man. Very cool. Give me 1 second. Let me redo this. I hope everyone is stuck at Shiba at 10 cents next week. If you guys are holding like 400 million and that thing would get to like a quarter of a penny, you'd be sitting on $1 million. And I think you'll see a quarter of a penny on Shiba eventually. Just my opinion. That's what I honestly think Shiba's gonna do eventually. Might not be this bull cycle, it might be next, but Shiba's showing promising stuff right now. Starting to get some green candles across the board too. Bitcoin's heating up. That RSI's loading up across the board. We might get a little move right here, guys. Possibly shit, you might see a retest of some levels that we need, technical levels we need to get above. So let's see what happens here in the next couple 5-minute coins. Clown baby, what's up, man? He was 100% wrong, Clown baby. He even DM'd me and told me he was wrong. Their ETF for Kathy Woods, they have to show some type of profits. She didn't sell it all, but she did sell a portion of her Tesla shares. Basically because they have to show profits for the quarter. So we'll see what happens. But she was pumping Tesla, saying it was worth a lot more. But you are 100% correct, my friend. NS, it's all good, my friend. Litecoin Maxi. Litecoin doing decent today, up 1.76%. I like it. I'll take it. The two bigger movers, Dogecoin and Shiba. But a lot of that has to do with the fact that Elon Musk likes to tweet his Floki in his Tesla, which a lot of people are speculating that he's gonna, use that to accept Tesla. I think you start looking at Bitcoin above 50K, at 53, maybe 55 range. You get that news from Tesla that could propel it a lot freaking higher over the all-time high. So we'll see what happens here in the short term, guys. But I'm still super bullish on this whole October Pumptober, possibly into November, December. Those months are usually really good for crypto, the winter time. A lot more people not out and about. They're staying home with their families, watching their crypto charts, investing. You'll still have your swing traders, day traders looking to take profits off the top, but nonetheless, it is what it is. I should profit around 1 million after taxes when Shiba hits 10 cents. Shiba is doing big things, the bull cycle, so you never know. Yeah, it could. I mean, if we finish out the year with Bitcoin over 100K, Shiba could definitely move a lot higher. Like I said, quarter of a penny. If you're holding over 400 million, you're looking right around 200, right around $1 million. So take it for what it's worth. That's what you're looking at. All right, NS, man, thank you very much for tuning in. If you could, just hit that like button for me on the way out, my friend. I'd greatly appreciate it. Jason Gregory says Shiba is doing big things this bull cycle, so you never know. Clown baby eating some chicken tacos. Trying to make me hungry. I'm not hungry, though. I had a pretty good supper. So I'm just chilling, watching some crypto charts. Hopefully we see Bitcoin hop above 50K tonight. That'd be best case scenario. We've really, that MACD starting to flip on Bitcoin, so we could see some price action that could quite possibly lead us over 50K tonight. You know, Bitcoin's been running late as of late, so it could definitely happen while we're sleeping tonight. We'll just have to wait and see what the morning holds for us. But I'm fully expecting a break above that 50K level at some point in this week, if this trend continues, if everything holds up. If not, of course, I'll let y'all know in the Discord. I'll send out the alert to everybody, keep everybody well informed. One Shot GT showing some more love with a $5 super sticker. Thank you very much, One Shot GT. Greatly appreciate you, my friend. Hey, Clown Baby, some of the best tacos in the world come from taco trucks, man. I totally feel you with your fire comment right there. One Shot says, let's go 50K Bitcoin. Hey, it's coming, my friend. I think we're going to see that in, could be tonight, could be tomorrow. I think we will get the break. That's a big psychological level. And I think you could, you know, quite possibly be seeing Doge, you know, 25, 26 cents. Possibly even 27 after the break. That put ADA back around 230. I could definitely see that happening this week. Just gathering the sentiment that I've been gathering in the market. You know, you're not that far off. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we do get the breaks and starts getting people back into the market. Some FOMO, some institutions buying in. I think it will. You know, you get above 35 on Doge, you'll start getting some more FOMO hopping in. That's a pretty big level. That's where we got rejected off the last flash crash. So we'll see, guys. Yeah, let's check out some crypto mining stocks for you guys. Let me pull up the charts. Watch this. Why is it doing that? It's not letting me do it. Oh well. Let's check out what BITF is doing, my friend. Some bit farms. So still trading in that channel we drew the other night. Clown Baby. 10-4. As you can see, dude, we hit that level right here. You didn't, that's the 5-minute chart. You didn't get a break, open and close above it, the 5-minute candle. That's why you see in that rejection right there. That's why I'm so glued and so big about the 5-minute candle opening and closing. Why it's a small thing to look at. It's a very big point because, like, if I'm looking to enter in the BITF and I see it at $5.14, I want to see an absolute 5-minute, at least a 5-minute break above that level of resistance that you're seeing, because if you get rejected and you FOMO in right when you break that level, you can get played and then you'll be holding the bag up here and you're somewhere sitting down here. So that's why TA is super important. But on the day, $4.96, down 1.39%, absolutely flat in aftermarket hours. So we'll watch this tomorrow. I'm still super bullish on it. The charts look really good, dude. You're just barely over these moving averages, so we'll see what it starts out tomorrow. If Bitcoin runs tonight, I fully expect you to get over that and possibly break that 510 level at some point. You're riding, you know, toward the middle upper end of this channel right here. Let me see, did I draw something? Yep, I did draw something above that. $5.43 would be your next channel to break above. But if Bitcoin really starts moving, I do think you'll get these breaks pretty easily, my friend. We'll be keeping a close eye on it for you. What's up, Just Bum? How you doing, my friend? Let me get rid of this. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't know that popped up. I just saw it. All right. Let's check out HUD 8 Mining. That's another one that we like over here at Matt's Market. Another crypto mining stock. And wow. Up 3.67% today, and that's exactly why we like the stock. Absolutely outperforming a lot of these crypto mining stocks, but the chart looks really nice. I think you get a move over 50K tonight, you get that break over 975, somewhere within that range. I had it at 972, but I'm gonna go move this up just because, like when you're doing your TA. Come on, let me move the line. It's not letting me move it. Anyway, 975 was actually where you hit. I forgot how I got 972. That was Fibonacci. Okay, so Fibonacci put us at 972. You hit 975, and as you can see, didn't really get that rejection. You retested it immediately, came back down, and looking to go back up. RSI is looking in the right direction. Your charts look super bullish on the 30-minute. I think you get the break tomorrow. I think Bitcoin continues to run. We get above 50K. I think you could be looking at some pretty good prices on HUD 8 mining. Let me see this. So a break above that level. Now this is what it's showing here. The top up here at $11.30, somewhere within that range. But you're gonna hit traffic before that, possibly around $10 range, 10-15. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that. If you do see a break tomorrow, if you're watching the charts and you see that break over 975, you could possibly swing trade HUT a run up to 10-15, 10-10, 10-15 range, and that'd be a possible sell point. Real quick entry, real quick exit. It's very possible. I think you'll see that as soon as you get that significant break over 975, and that would be a 5-minute candle open and closing above that level. So keep that on your mind, guys. Even if you're just looking for an entry point on HUT, depending on what Bitcoin's doing pre-market, you could have a pretty decent opportunity there right here to ride this back up to $11 range, possibly even higher if Bitcoin continues to run. So Clown Baby, I hope BITF does it for you tomorrow. I really do. We'll find out tomorrow morning what's happening with Bitcoin to see if we continue on this bullish run we're on. Just Bump says, let's go. Big boom coming. Just Bump sent me my first ever super chat, man. Thanks for sticking around with me too, man. Good to see you in the chat, my friend. I'm glad you haven't lost interest in crypto and you're still watching the charts, my friend. Hopefully you're still holding a good majority of your position. Jason Gregory says, I pulled some Doge tendies from my non-hold account today. Hey man, there's nothing wrong with that, man. There's nothing wrong with that. It did move a little bit. I don't know what price you sold at. Hopefully you got rid of it somewhere around the upper 24-cent range. But the way the chart's getting set up, I think you might end up getting a break over that 24.96, pretty much 25 cents flat. Tomorrow, look to consolidate and rip up the. There's not much in the way of 27 cents. So remember, everything doesn't just continue to go up, but if we can look to keep breaking these levels on this hard ascending level of support, and then eventually break a level and consolidate, let the RSI cool off, let some more people invest into it, we could definitely keep making these higher highs and start working our way back up, guys. How is SoFi doing? It's a stock. We can take a look at it, man. Hey, what's going on, Pearl? Why the sad face, my friend? Thanks for tuning in, man. But why the sad face, my friend? Let's check out SoFi. SoFi Technologies. Quotes right here. Down 2.9% today. So guys, look, real quick test for you. You come up here on Webull, Fibonacci retracement. Click right here. I go to the all-time, the high in the short term. So that is 1808. I'm gonna try to get it perfect for you. And then you go to the low, which is 1438, what I'm seeing right here. So that'll give you some pretty good levels. And as you can see, guys, this is some basic TA that you can do on your own while you're trading your stocks during the day. This level right here absolutely respected it right here. You broke below it. Your next level, if you continue to go down, would be somewhere within that 1577 range. You could say 1575. Where are we currently sitting at? 16. I like them even numbers too on my stocks and crypto, so I think 16 cents might be a possible bounce point. But I think you might have hit your low back here. I don't know the news or anything what's going on with it, but you hit your low, and these tops pretty much respected it. Fibonacci is usually pretty close, guys. It really is. So you are in some bearish territory underneath this 200-day moving average, but wonder if this thing has some news. MACD's due for a flip, so tomorrow might be a decent green day for it tomorrow. A break above 1625 could possibly move you back up to 1650 pretty quick. So if you're holding that stock, I wouldn't be buying in right now personally. It could do some pretty good things. I'm just not personally not buying in. Let me see this. Alright, let me get back. I'm going to stop messing with all that. We're starting to get some decent green candles pumping in. We've got Doge up almost 12% right now. ADA's starting to move a little bit as well. Ethereum 33.93, so it's looking pretty decent, guys. Oh, it's a sweaty face. What's good with the crypto market? Lots of stuff is good, my friend. We're starting to get some movement, dude. Everything's looking really, really decent, man. What plays are you still holding right now, man? Last chance coming in, fellas. 12 hours to 24 hours. Bitcoin is going to break above 50K, just my opinion. I feel that way too, man. I think you'll start to see some pretty significant moves. I said in the beginning of the end of September, and y'all can hold my feet to the fire for this, but I thought Dogecoin was going to see that 40 cent range somewhere within October, and it's looking very promising right now. Can't give you any guarantees, but that is my personal price prediction, somewhere 40-45 cents. We'll have to see. I mean, it could go absolutely bonkers this month, being that it's a 5-week month here in October. It could be very, very promising month for Bitcoin, for Shiba, for Ethereum, for all this stuff happening in the market, man. I mean, I'm feeling very, very good about what's happening today. I'm happy for all the Shiba holders, man. Y'all took some shit throughout the whole month, man. Past couple months, like Shiba's just a copycat of Doge until Webull and some other platforms started picking it up. And I was actually like, man, something's going on over here. And that's why I told everybody about Shiba. I was possibly looking to get me some, but I never did, unfortunately, so I'm sitting on the sidelines for this one. But congratulations to everybody who picked up some Shiba. I totally quit stocks except my AMC. Hey, Jason Gregory, nothing wrong with that, my friend. I was big into the AMC movement, man, so I wish you the best for it. D-Grade, what's happening, my dude? Thank you, man. Dropping $100 super chat. Let me thank you in my echo voice. Thank you, D-Grade, for that $100 super chat, dude. Thank you very much, my friend. Coming in hot, dude. Just drop in, showing some love to one of my favorite people. Keep rocking, my friend. Dude, thank you, man. That was not necessarily, dude, but thank you very much, man. Greatly appreciate you stopping in to show some love, man. Much love to you, brother. Really appreciate you. Psycho Pearl says things are about to go up. What's up, Mr. Frankie? Talk about Shiba. We were talking about Shiba, my friend. How much Shiba are you actually holding? Yeah, I was like literally talking about it right then and there. No reverb on that one. It's all good, man. D-Grade knows I love him. Thank you very much. What's up, HC2? See you creeping in the chat. So starting to get some green moving. ADA's starting to pick up right here. 221. Let me I didn't pop a Fibonacci line on ADA yet. Hey, it's all good, man. Is one of your biggest holdings, Frankie, is oh dang, dude, you sitting on 1.3 billion. So if that thing gets to a quarter of a penny, dude, you sitting on some freaking nice tendies, dude. Congratulations, man. I'm really happy for you holding. Dude, you sitting on some pretty nice tendies just today, my friend. So guys, I think ADA's about to break to the upside. I think we're getting that right here. That was that ascending level, the lower highs right here, that line right there. I think we might be getting that break above the top, and we can move pretty good right here back into this channel. We hit that top of 22.42 right there on Cardano, so we'll be closely watching that to see what happens here in the future. But really nice 5-minute green candles coming in hot on ADA. Doge will probably follow suit. Let's see what happens. No, Frankie, you're 100% correct. My friend, it is never too late to buy. I'm with you on that. I will pick me up some. I think I said earlier, man, I think what you saw today could be a continuation into tomorrow. You could probably have a 20 to 40% day maybe tomorrow if you get the right hype and FOMO stepping in. You get enough people excited about it. I mean, Elon Musk puts out the tweet for Floki and the Tesla, and boom, you're off to the races, up 75% today at the high. That's a very freaking good day for Shiba, for all the shit that people have taken over when Shiba came out of being a knockoff of Doge, to see it running like it is today. Very promising, man. And I think at the least, maybe not this bull cycle, maybe next. Who knows when? I do think you'll see Shiba Inu at least a quarter of a cent sometime in the future. And if you're holding that many, dude, that is a lot of freaking money you could be sitting on, my friend. I see you're new to the channel though, Frankie, man. If you could, we tend to touch base on a lot of different cryptos. We do cover stocks here. I'd very much appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button for me, man. If not, it's cool. Appreciate you hanging out, but I just wanted to throw that out there. Psycho Pearl says my goal is to get 50 Solana coins. Pearl, I don't know if you were in here when I was saying it, but the FXT program coming up with Solana, to where you can link your debit card to buy NFTs, is going to be absolutely huge for Solana, my friend. I think you're looking at some pretty good price points. And I didn't even see Solana, guys, when we were talking about it. I forgot who asked me a good buy price point I would look to get in. It was sitting at 165.5. You're already up to 167, so it is moving. That would have turned out to be a pretty good buying opportunity right there. That's me personally, what I would have did if I was looking for an entry point, but I was telling people about Solana at 72. I got in at 84, and I've been riding it ever since. So do your own DD, but that was a pretty decent buy point, 165, or that 164.5, excuse me. It was actually 164.5. So starting to get some green pumping into the market. ADA is breaking out to that top end like we just predicted a little bit ago. Very good to see. I want to see a 5-minute candle open and close over this level of support resistance right here. I'm still treating it as resistance until we see this next 5-minute candle open and close above that level. So that's what I'm looking for right now on ADA. We'll see if we get it. One Shot GT says, if Bitcoin hits 50K, I'll drop crazy super stickers. Crazy, man. I'm just happy you're here hanging out with me, my friend. Thank you very much for tuning in, man. Frankie, what's your predictions for Shiba for December? I'm holding a little bit of everything. AMC to the moon. Hey, man, I was really big into the AMC movement, man. So first and foremost, dude, hope you got in early. I hope you're sitting tight. Hope you're up making plenty of tendies on the AMC play. Shiba, man, I couldn't tell you a price prediction on Shiba because I don't know. I was thinking Shiba could make some pretty decent moves here, and I was telling everybody, like, hey, I'm looking for a good price buying an opportunity on Shiba ever since the whole Webull thing came up, and I didn't capitalize on it. I should have been buying last Tuesday, the 2 Tuesdays ago when we had the flash crash across the whole market. That was absolutely the perfect buying time, and you know, it really sucks because we talked about dips for the last 3 months on this channel, and I kept saying, hey, if you buy the dip, you're going to be sitting that much more beautiful when everything goes to rip. And that's exactly what happened. People are starting to make some really, really nice profits if they were buying the dips for the past 3 months. So seeing that flash crash was depressing, especially how long it took us to get Bitcoin over 50K to see that happen. But it's looking very good right now. But in the back of my mind, I am thinking possibility of a flash crash. If that would happen again, like if I see a real hard sell-off, because we had a hard sell-off and then people got margin called, so it dropped even harder. That might be a good selling opportunity across the board to buy back in lower, but we'll cross that path. We're not talking about flash crashes tonight. We're talking about seeing Bitcoin above 50K tonight, and I do think we'll see that hopefully here on the stream. You know, I'm super bullish right now. I'm a long-term bull. I'm bullish when it's bearish because it's just giving me better buying opportunities to load the boat. I think you'll see Solana a lot higher. I think you'll see Shiba a lot higher than what you're seeing it right now when this bull cycle is complete and finished. And just keep in mind, guys, we are heading to a bear market. It's going to happen. Everything doesn't just continue to go up. So I am looking to take profits at some point before we feel like the bear market actually really does hit. So, and bear markets suck, believe me. Frankie, man, thank you very much for hitting that subscribe button for us, man. We just crossed 1,620 subs. Yep, small channel, I understand that, but for me, dude, that means the world, man. Thank y'all each and every one of y'all for tuning in every night, supporting me, man. It really means the world to me. And of course, we got Clown Baby. You can't forget about Litecoin. He is the Litecoin maxi. He is the reason why I own exactly one Litecoin. Might look to buy 2. I think I'll pick me up another one, Clown Baby. I was thinking about that the other day. Might look to add a Litecoin every now and then. Just for the simple fact, when Bitcoin really starts to run, I think you'll start seeing those $400 levels on Litecoin this year, possibly even higher. Future looking, like down the road, you'll see some significantly higher prices on Litecoin as well. So that's right, Frankie. You gotta be a bull in the bear times, man. Somebody's got to hold it up. Somebody's got to freaking hold it up. Psycho Pearl? Are you referring to Solana? Hey, you get that break over 215 on Solana, man. It could move, dude. No telling how high it could actually go. I'm super bullish on Solana. It's just, I will always be, man. I'm gonna try to play that song for you one shot while you dropping your commands in the chat. This was the song it was running to the night, so I'm gonna be a little superstitious and play the writing on the wall, man. Where is it? I really hope one day YouTube actually comes to terms with creators and they're like, hey, you can play whatever song you want, because that would just make the videos that much cleaner. I don't even mind if they charge us. Like, charge us $100 a month to where we can play whatever songs we want on our streams. But where's that song at? The song is actually the name of your command. Let's go. Alright, I'm holding 30 and a half Litecoins, Mr. Frankie. You getting Clown Baby too excited over here, man. He is super excited now. So come on, Bitcoin. Let's do something tonight. Let's get above 50K. Get some excitement going on. I think it's due for a pop here, man. If it keeps respecting this ascending level right here, I think you're due for a pop here. You come down off these levels pretty low, which you're getting a triple retest right here on this RSI. MACD is flipping. I think you're setting up right here for what could be a pretty decent run up. The only thing that kind of concerns me right here on Doge, you kind of hit that lower high right there. So we'll see what happens. Indicators. Let's put the RSI up on Bitcoin. Oh, it is up. I'm tripping. I didn't see it. I was looking at that mag. I got just the MACD up on Bitcoin. So I got Bitcoin on the right here, guys. I got ADA in the middle, and I got Dogecoin right here. But we'll go ahead and put up Shiba right here. But hold on. Right when I say that, ADA is actually getting the break to the upside right now. So ADA could be looking to make some pretty decent moves here. This is the 1 minute chart on Bitcoin, guys. Don't be too alarmed. It's still not looking that bad. Frankie says, I got diamond hands, baby. Let's go. Yeah, it's kind of like me, Frankie. I'm into a little bit of everything, man. I have BTC, LTC, Ethereum, and Doge. Then I'm heavy in some crypto mining stocks, AMC. Hey, dude, that's a beautiful portfolio right there, Clown Baby. 100%, man. Clown Baby, what would you say your biggest holding is? Would you say Litecoin? One Shot's trying to get some pumping going into the market. ADA looking to break out to 222, guys. We called it. It's happening. Let's see what happens here. This song is working for I'm gonna keep it going because that's the song it was absolutely ripping to the night. And it's good luck for us tonight, guys. I think we're gonna see Bitcoin above 50K. What's up, Envu? The man with the plan. Guys, we opened up a Discord room just for Envu. He is putting his hot crypto plays in the chat. Let me post Discord in here. I still never got around to updating the link in the stream bot, so y'all have to bear with me. Let me post this real quick. So Frankie and anybody that wants to join our Discord, that's a 100% free link. It will continue to be 100% free, guys. Hope y'all look at joining up. Frankie says I have 7 Bitcoins at one point and sold them all for 8K for a 1K gain on each. Dude, damn, bro. Hey, you never know, man. You never freaking know. That just goes to show you. Let's go on 50K Bitcoin. You already know One Shot. ADA's moving, dude. It's getting that break up to the upside. It's about to go past this tip right here. Holy shit. ADA's making some moves, guys. That's why you have to watch those levels. I drew those lines for you, and we're getting that break to the upside on the stream, so you're getting to see first and foremost why TA is so important when it comes to this. We got Mr. One Shot GT coming in hot for a $10 super sticker, man. Thank you, y'all. Really appreciate it, man. I know Mr. One Shot's trying to get Bitcoin pumped up over here. ADA already blew past 222.50. We're heading up to possibly 23 cents here. Let's see what happens. ADA's making some pretty nasty moves. ADA's pumping. One shot, whatever you're doing is working for ADA right now. 223 right now. Wow, 223.50 is what we got off of Fibonacci. Let's see how accurate it actually is. But we're getting some really, really nice green candles on ADA, which could quite possibly cause an adverse effect on Bitcoin and Doge. I done seen it happen before where ADA will completely turn the whole entire market around and they'll start following it as well. ADA absolutely ripping right here, guys. Looks like we're hitting that top at 223.21 right now. So let's see what happens. One Shot GT coming in hot with a 199 super sticker. Thank you, man. And he's saying, wait for it. Wait for it. Quite possibly going to happen on the stream. Like I'm saying, guys, bear with me on this song, but it's good luck to us right here. And I'm superstitious tonight. I feel like we're going to make some pretty decent freaking moves. Crypto Profit ADA 310. Hey man, I would love to see it hit some all-time highs again. Grayscale today called ADA undervalued. Is it? Quite possibly. I believe it is. The ecosystem is setting up to do some pretty nice things with NFTs. Make sure to have ADA on your radar, guys. It is a very, very big play. I still think you'll see $5 to $10 on ADA this year. When we complete this year in December, I think you'll be seeing significantly higher levels on ADA than you're seeing right now. So let's go Bitcoin. Turn around. Let's get moving back in the right direction. That's what we want to see right now. Ready for that BITF breakout with Bitcoin? Streamlabs is hype. I'm ready for it too, Clown Baby dude. I want to see you sitting on some pretty nice freaking tendies when it comes down to BITF, my friend. I'm sorry you're sitting in the red, but dude, I think it's gonna turn around for you. Sadly, I got 39 ADA. Wish I had more. Hey, Jason Gregory, it's better to have a hand in the pot than nothing at all, my friend. It's all about percentage, my friend. One Shot GT coming in hot with another $5 super sticker. Thank you very much, Mr. One Shot GT. Very much appreciated, my friends. Guys, we got 26 people in here. If y'all can hit that like button for me, it greatly helps support the stream. And if y'all new to the channel, please consider joining the family. Hitting the subscribe button for us. Frankie, if I could play any music I wanted to, I would play Pump It Up on repeat for you all night, my friend. But apparently YouTube is silly with their copyright. So whatever you did for one shot with all the pumping, apparently it went into ADA right now. Dogecoin and Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a sell-off here on the 5-minute chart. 50K is that big level though. It really is. It's a psychological level that we're gonna need to get over, and then you're gonna start to see some fucking FOMO in the markets, guys. So ADA seeing a little reversal right here. I think that was the top for ADA right there. Might look to consolidate, but we got that break, and that's why that TA is super important, guys. Super important. Oh yeah, you want some Zelda degrade? I got you, dog. I got you, my friend. I got you, dude. And D-Grade, man, for dropping. Thank you for dropping that $100 super chat, man. That was not necessary, but dude, thank you, man. I currently have somewhere around 2,500 ADA Psycho Pearl, but I was buying it back at like 80 cents, man. So you have to keep that in mind when I'm telling you what I'm thinking about ADA. Even Solana, like I was pumping Solana at 72 on the channel, and it ran at 215, and now we're sitting back at 166. So I'll be completely transparent with each and every one of y'all, man. I'm not a hype man. We're making some pretty good plays over here, and stuff's looking really good, man. with, oh, so you checking Whale Traders right now, Crypto Profit, saying no longs with ADA. What's up, Crypto Zach? How you doing, man? Yes, thank you, Mr. D-Grade, for the $100 donation, man. They're being too nice to me tonight. Next 5-minute candle looking to turn green on Bitcoin right now. Imbu saying, oh wait, hold on. I missed a comment. Clown Baby, what do you think of QQQ charts? We'll take a look at it, my friend. Imbu says we want ADA 225, 250. Yeah, I'm thinking that 240 is the next big level, man. Let me know what you're seeing on your end. But I think that break over 22,350. I think you're going to see that 240 pretty quick. Real quick, Clown Baby, because you're my boy, let me look up some QQQ. Give me 1 second, guys. Is it the Investco QQQ Trust? Let me know in the chat, man. Crypto Zach, I think he FOMO'd into some Shiba. Which, heck, guys, I don't buy on the stream, but possibly tonight I might FOMO into some Shiba. Who knows? It's always a good time to buy to me right now. Clown Baby, let me know if this is what you're referring to, and I'll come back to it. I'm not seeing you comment. Just let me know, my friend. D-Grade, I gotta give you a command. What do you think about Ethereum Classic? Dude, I love Ethereum Classic, man. That first run up, dude, I had so much fun trading Ethereum Classic. Oh my God, man. Let me pull up Ethereum Classic on the chart, see what it's looking like. Oh, so that is it? Hold on real quick, guys. Guys, when I look for entry points, 4-hour chart necessary. And this is why it gives you a really great picture of what you're looking at. So like if I drop this level right here, see, you broke this bottom right here, but you hit this top over here. Are you seeing a little bit of a bounce? You are. Might be a good entry point. I'd feel pretty good about it, man. Kind of like an S&P 500 stock, dude. I'd feel pretty good to maybe buy some options on this or just buy the stock outright, man. I think that looks like a pretty decent bouncing point for this. So let me pull up Ethereum Classic for Frankie, ETC. Dude, I had so much fucking fun with Ethereum Classic, guys. It was absolutely insane. That day it ripped to 172. I bought it that morning when it was like, I forgot what price I got in, dude, but I had bought it super early that morning, and that thing ripped to 172, and man, it was just so violent. Price action up and down, up and down, up and down. Like it was moving $5 increments at a time. And for Ethereum Classic, like that's significant. And I'm still super bullish on it. I love me some Ethereum Classic. I think it's a lot better than like the Ethereum Max and all that other bullshit that they have in the market. Ethereum Classic to me is a really solid investment, man. Give me 1 second. All right, I had to get my audio right. Let's get back to the charts, guys. See what's going on. So Bitcoin, hey, it's not the end of the world. If we don't see 50K on the stream tonight, it is trying to look to consolidate. And if we're at this range, that looks super bullish, guys. No doubt in my mind, I do think you'll get the retest between now and tomorrow night. So ADA getting us some sell-off. We should now treat that as support. 2133. So we'll see what happens here. 22133. That's what I'll be looking for here. Oh, you did FOMO on the Shiba? What's up, Andre P? Hey, man, appreciate y'all tuning in, man. My average on ADA is $2.14. What do you think of... yeah, I already read all that. You guys are funny. I'm holding 208.4 Ethereum Classics. Did I read that right? Hell yeah, man. I love some Ethereum Classic, dude. Absolutely love it. All right, let's get Bitcoin pumping. All right. Oh, Streamlabs, Dogecoin to the moon. I hate buying in the green. I always buy in the red. I broke my own rule when I FOMO'd into more Shiba. Man, it happens, man. I mean, Shiba's really starting to move back up 64.53%. So it is moving, man. It's looking pretty freaking decent. I'm going to go ahead and take 8 off now that we got the break. We'll revisit that in a little bit. I'm going to put some Shiba on the screen. So Shiba will be in the middle. Doge is on the left. Got Bitcoin on the right. It's a good night. Just bump saying Shiba gonna break it. Rick saying good move on the FOMO. Shiba still flying. I know I'm being brave by leaving my Shiba on KuCoin now. Dude, D-grade, man. Was that the account you got locked out of? RSI on Bitcoin 4-hour chart is pretty high at 68 right now. Yeah, so maybe a little retracement before we moon. It's looking like it wants to revamp right here off the 5-minute chart. We'll see what happens. And S says hopefully the burn is solid for. Let me see. Doo-doo is an entry point, just broke down. Special gift for the stream. Our stop is 1.255. Good luck. There you go. Invu dropping some knowledge. Dropping some knowledge. So guys, in the Discord, we got the hot crypto plays. Make sure to check them out. No, it's not that. Was my trust wallet. Oh, okay, I got you. So at least you still holding your Shiba. At least you still got access to your Shiba, my friend. So as of right now, this next 5-minute candle looks like it's starting to want to turn green. Hopefully it does. We'll continue climbing back up. I don't want to see a retest back to the 200-day moving average, which is what it tends to like to do. But I want to stay above in this range, consolidate. Let me pull up the bigger chart right here. Shiba still up 64% on the day. Dogecoin still hanging around 10.52%. ADA still hanging strong above that level of resistance that we broke earlier, which is now support. So very good to see. Let me pull up the big chart on Bitcoin. see what's going on in this spectrum. So that is pretty much not looking bad, my friends. After we had, man, this is a 5-minute chart. So if we get a break to the downside, that'd be a little bearish in the short term, but I'm still hoping for the break, the retest of 50K between now and tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna hold true to that, and we can see. I'll be streaming tomorrow night. We can retest that and see if we actually did see those levels. Sheep to 1,000 final stand confirms secret Shiba Inu meeting with Elon Musk. Was that the title of his video tonight? I would not be surprised if it was. I'm asking. Yeah, it'd be nice to see one shot. KuCoin, my trading account, and my trust is my long holds. I got you, man. There's nothing wrong with that. I like KuCoin, man. D-Grade, I don't know if you're interested in XRP, man, but you can get it on KuCoin by swapping Tether for XRP, my friend. Be definitely something to look at getting. Just in my opinion. Like if it was me personally, I'd be loading the boat on XRP. A little bit of update on the XRP lawsuit. They're allowing the XRP holders into the class action lawsuit. So I think it's going to end shortly. I don't think it's going to drag on. It might be November. You know, I said September. I kind of I'm revamping my thought process on October. I think it'll be November. Some point between now and November. I really do think it'll be up. But now they're kind of entering in the XRP holders. A lot of people, they're not going to take each and every person to court. It's going to be a big class action thing. I don't even think you're going to get to see XRP holders in the courtroom. So a little bit of update on that. That's what's happening right now with XRP. But when that boat loads up, it's going to shoot straight to $3 to $5, I do believe. And I'll be sitting on some pretty nice tendies. Did Elon unfollow Final Stand? I have no idea, man. I'm not I don't have a big Twitter presence, man. Not like I want to. I need to do some work on Twitter, definitely. A golden cross incoming on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Let's check it out, man. Yep. That would be when the 50-day hooks over the 200-day moving average. That's going to be a pretty good sign right there, guys. I cannot wait to see it. I mean, Bitcoin's looking really bullish, man. That is on the 5-minute, and Shiba's absolutely starting to rip. Getting a nice 5-minute candle coming up. You got that 14-day hooking over that 50-day. RSI is, oof, man, that thing's really hot right now. I can see maybe this next 5-minute candle might be red. We'll have to see what happens. Yeah, Rick, I was just talking about that, man. That was a pretty decent sized 5-minute candle, man. Started a new day on the crypto charts. Everything resetting. So Shiba, Bitcoin. No, it's not. I'm sorry. I still got another hour to go. But Shiba up 68.40%. Dogecoin climbing back above 11.5% up. ADA still holding strong. AVAX trying to creep its way back up. It was down almost 5% at the beginning of the stream, so that was good to see. Mr. One Shot, our play over there, and AVAX is starting to work its way back. Solana back to 165, kind of getting a little bit of sell-off right there. Ethereum still trying to hang around at 33.82 range, looking for 34 on that. And Litecoin, of course, we want to see that baby over 170 for Mr. Clown Baby. Twitter is how I found you after you said you were. Oh, I got you, NS, man. Hey, man, I did something right on Twitter then, my friend. I went on like a Twitter follow rampage, man. I like tried to follow everybody in the Doge crypto community just to get some more attention to the stream. So apparently it worked, man. Cool, I didn't know that. Clown Baby says, imagine Golden Cross on all the 4-hour charts from the holdings. But hey, man, that'd be cool, man. Crypto Profit says I'm up $76 on Shiba right now. That's 16 more than. Hey, man, make it in tendies, man. Shiba might not be done. Shiba could legit run another 20 to 40% today. I done seen this happen before. Like when these plays really start moving. There could be a lot more FOMO stepping right into this play. So I don't know what's about to happen with Shiba. I really don't. I wish I could tell you, but man, this is like unprecedented seeing Shiba shoot up 70%. You know, that's really, really cool. I'm glad for all the Shiba holders because I was skeptical of Shiba when it first came out. I'm like, it's just a Doge knockoff. I was one of those guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was thinking this was like just a pretty much a ripoff. Didn't turn out to be. I grew more and more on Shiba as time went on, and just 2-3 weeks ago I started telling everybody on the stream, I know y'all heard me say it, I'm looking to get me some Shiba and I missed the boat. So don't be like me. Get some XRP, don't be like me. Add a 0 to a Litecoin price I want to see. Hey, it's possible, Clown Baby. You'll see it, my friend. Never once before have I thought I would have Shiba in my title either. It's just crazy how things work, man. Crazy how things work. There's a golden crossing coming on the 4-hour chart on BTC in my. We'll check it out, man. Oh, on BT. Oh yeah, we already looked at that. Bought the Shiba when Voyager listed it. Hell yeah, Crypto Profits. We got Mr. Cedric Norman in the chat. What's happening, my friend? How are you doing tonight? Hopefully you're making some pretty decent tendies off this market right now. Frankie, if you just heard me, man, I was telling everybody I never got a position in on Shiba. I was telling everybody over the past 2 weeks I'm looking for a position, like I want to buy in, and I should have bought in that last Tuesday flash crash, but like you said earlier in the stream, man, I still believe Shiba's a good buy because honestly right now I think it's a good buy, man. I don't care where I get it, dude. If I can get 100 million, 400 million for relatively cheap, man, I'll hold on to that sucker for the next 2 bull cycles and see what it does, man. Matt, my wife said the same thing about Sheep. Yeah, man, I get those I gather sentiment from all these chats I go in, man. I hang out with a lot of different people in the crypto space, and I gather sentiment, man. I was just getting a lot of sentiment about Shiba. And if you don't believe me, you can go back 2 weeks on the videos. I probably said it multiple times that I was, ever since Webull had picked up Shiba, I was like, man, Shiba's not going away, guys. Like it has something going on there, and you're seeing that big run up day. But don't sleep on XRP and don't sleep on Solana right now. FXT, when Solana releases that and you can buy NFTs linked with your debit card, Solana's gonna fly, man. I'm predicting that right now for myself, for my own Solana holdings. That's just what I believe. All right, let me catch back up with the chat. Sorry about that. Guys, we got 24 people in the channel. If you could like, subscribe. If y'all are new to the channel, greatly appreciate. Helps grow the stream, man. We just crossed 1,620 thanks to you guys. I know it's not a lot, but it's a lot for me, man. It means a whole bunch to me. So thank you very much. Oh, you've had it on your thumbnail for 3 days? Yeah, who knows, man. Clown Baby says on Litecoin, Ethereum, Doge, 2, I'm trying to... Oh, I got you, man. So BTC is the closest right now. And S40 crypto, 10 Coinbase for the culture. Imbu's saying if we don't break 50K, we could see 45K on Bitcoin. Matt, if you have XRP, you'll be rich. Yeah, that's what I believe, man. I think XRP is gonna be a big mover eventually here in the short term. I've been saying it for a month. I thought it would happen in September. That lawsuit ain't up yet. I do feel it's getting close. October is a 5-week month. We have 5 freaking weeks to absolutely kill it in the market, and October, Pumptober is starting off to be a very good month. We need this after what we saw happen in September, guys. I mean, September was horrible. I mean, 2-3%, 10% down every day, and then have a little 5% green day just to lose 10% the next day. That's crappy, man. It really is crappy. Shiba retesting almost 70% on the day. So Jason Gregory, if you're still in the chat, Mr. Jason, you did a damn good FOMO play right here, my friend. You could be setting up for a nice little rip up right here on Shiba Inu. It is loading back up right now. Rick, crypto, I bought Shiba when I had to buy Ethereum to buy Trust Wallet a long time ago. And Mr. Rick, you were sitting nice, really nice because of that, my friend. I remember you told me when you had bought it, and when I saw that happen today, you were one of the people I thought about, man. I'm really happy for you, dude. Crypto Prophet says I jumped in through all the hoops with Safe Moon, never again. Frankie 14 on Shiba. Hey, she's moving, man. She's moving, Mr. Frankie. Hey, man, Frankie, I really do appreciate you tuning in tonight, subscribing, man. Really means a lot to me, man. Every time I see that subscriber count go up one, you know, y'all don't understand how much that means to me, man. So thank y'all very much. Rick says, crypto, I'm with you. Crazy way to buy, cost too much. Yeah, it does, man. Those fees will eat you alive. Cedric Norman says if you could travel 2 years into the future and peek at 3 coins on coin market cap, which coins would they be? Oh man, that's a tough one, dude. Doge for one. I think I'd have to look at Bitcoin just so I would know, you know, that what I think about Bitcoin is correct. I think I'd have to look at Bitcoin, Dogecoin. And I'm torn on the third one. Y'all let me know, what coin would y'all pick for if you could go in the future, 2 years into the future, which coins would you look at? And then I'll give you my answer to the third one after everybody answers theirs. What's the deal with XRP? What's it about? The lawsuit? Basically, you had the creators of XRP. They were having these wallets where they were dumping a bunch of XRP coins into the creator's account. I forgot the dude's name. Let me see if I can Google it. That XRP holder's wallet. Anyway, the SEC stepped in and filed some lawsuits against them, and we're currently fighting them right now. It's on the tip of my tongue. I can't think of the dude's name. Jed McCaleb. So yeah, he had a whole ton of XRP, and now he's been off. It's been the wallet that was dumping into his wallet is now completely empty. So He does hold quite a bit of XRP, so when he decides to sell, of course, it's going to take a good chunk out of price on XRP. But I think it's going to be a lot higher before you see that. But once the SEC concludes the lawsuit, Ripple's being taken up by all the big banks. So the coin XRP is going to be used, in my opinion, as one of the best ways for the banks to move money around. We'll see what happens. Let's take out another zero with Shiba, Mr. Rick says. 3 coins I can afford to load up on now. I got wrecked in September. I think we all did, Clown Baby. We all got freaking wrecked. And we were super pumped because August was great to us. Just to turn around and get wrecked here in September, man. Just bum saying broken. Let's go Shiba, big money, no whammies. Just bum was with me the first night I was monetized. Dropped me my first super chat, man. I'll never forget that, man. I'm glad to see you still around. Ego 3, Rick, this is why I don't own Safe Moon. This is why the shorts won't touch Safe Moon. Frankie says, Shiba, I'm very bullish on it. I am too now, my friend. I was bullish a couple weeks ago. It's just, man, I should have capitalized on it. But it's, to me, like a long-term hold for me, like Shiba's never a bad price to buy right now. Just my opinion. Solana, Shiba, Doge, Imbu. Oh, I could do that. Solana, man. Man, there's no telling. You might be looking at $700 Solana. You would hit it out of one of the 3. I guarantee you. Matic, BTT, and Gala. That's another good pick. Gala. Frankie says, I look at BTC, Shiba, and etc. He's torn on the third one as well. After BTC and Doge, ADA, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Clown Baby, don't lie. You would look up Litecoin first. It'd be BTC, Doge, and Litecoin. That's what I think you would pick. I would have to almost say Ethereum for my third pick. Of course, look, I would love to see what Shiba's at. I'd love to see what they're all at, but I would just have to know if Ethereum surpasses Bitcoin in market cap one day. Just a theory I have, and I just always want to see if it would come true. It's all speculative, though. What's up, Joey? He says, hi, Matt. Go Shiba. Thank you very much, Mr. Joey, for tuning in tonight, man. Good to see you in the chat. Are you holding some Shiba, man? Feel free to let us know down in the comment section down below. I look at BTC, Shiba. Oh, I already read that. Sorry. You can buy USDT from other people on KuCoin, and it can be cheaper than actually buying it from another exchange or on Trust Wallet because of the fees. There you go, D-Gray. Dropping some knowledge. What's up, Bear? My boy's in the chat, man. What's happening, Bear? Good to see you, dude. We got Mr. Bulldog Trading in the chat. XRP lied about making Western Union faster and more equitable, manipulated the price and talked about it in multiple emails by selling and buying up the market up to 50% supply. They still hold. Yeah, I knew it was a real big, significant amount they're still holding on to. Billions. I'm still bullish though, man. I'm still bullish. I think I'm gonna get $3 to $5, man. I am full aware, but part of that lawsuit, man, I was reading Jed McCaleb cannot dump the entire amount to crash the price. So there's gonna be speculations as to the amount isn't specified how much he can sell per whatever. He's not gonna be allowed to dump it all at once. I don't even think he's going to be able to dump a huge, significant amount at once. He's going to be heavily regulated when that happens. But we'll see what happens, man. I'm still bullish on it. I know you got what is it? XPR. What's the other one? Damn, it's on the tip of my tongue. But yeah, guys, we'll see what happens with XRP. Frankie says I meant Ethereum Classic. I got you, Mr. Frankie. Hey Matt, I remember you talking about Shiba. I thought you got in. Wish you had my friend. Hey, it's all good, Mr. Rick, man. That's what happens, man. You know, you miss the boat sometimes, but I'm very happy for you. I'm very happy for everybody that's holding some Shiba Inu right now. Like I said, I'll say it again. They took a lot of crap when it first came out, and man, 67% in a day. What a day! I mean, what else could you say? Bitcoin's starting to work its way back up right here on the 5-minute chart. Let me get the 5-minute chart going. Zoom in across the board. Spider-Man pointing meme. But that was Ripple, really. I'm still kind of bullish XRP. They have billions. What the SEC could do, could couple million fine. Yeah, they'll get a slap on the wrist. And you're 100% correct, Bulldog. XRP is completely different from Ripple. They're two of the same, but they're different. And people need to understand that. Do your own research. Look into it. They're two completely, they're tied together, but they're different. What's up, Zay? BitTorrent token to the moon. Hey, thank you for tuning in, Zay. I've heard a lot of people ask me about BitTorrent, man. I really do. I never really got into it personally, man. But are you just holding BitTorrent? Or are you holding some other cryptos, man? Let us know down in the comment section below, man. We'd really love you to join our community, man. Hit that subscribe and like button for us and stick around, my friend. Crypto Zach saying diamond hands when it comes to his FOMO play on Shiba. Okay, so it was he can dump a specific amount of daily volume per. Okay. There you go, man. Dude read the entire lawsuit. I read better than I type. I didn't know the time frame. I knew he was allowed to drop so much. I just didn't know the time frame, like if it was daily, you know, weekly, monthly, whatever. But if you're saying every day, man, cool. That's great information to know for next time I am preaching some XRP. Frankie says, all right, man, I'm gonna call it a day. Glad to be part of your channel. I'll be back for sure. Thank you, man. We try to stream every night, you know, pretty much 6, 7, maybe sometimes 7 nights a week. So around the same time, man, 8:30, 9 p.m. Central, man. We'd love to have you back, Mr. Frankie. Love to have you back. So start of the new day on the crypto charts just happened, guys. I've been talking for probably 2 hours now. I'm gonna get up real quick and go get me something to drink. Let's see what happens on the charts. Usually when I step away, that's when stuff starts to rip. So give me a few seconds, guys. I'm gonna go refill my drink. We'll see what happens for the next couple 5-minute candles. Possibly see if we can get a sneak peek into what's happening for tomorrow, guys. So give me a few seconds and I'll be right back. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Boy, I stood up for a minute. I was like, man, it feels good to finally stand up after 2 hours. River Bear, you got that right, man. Floki. Elon put the tweet out. Absolutely caused the price to explode. So we'll see what happens today with Shiba. Hopefully it's another green day. You get some more FOMO hyping in. Could be another 10%, 20%, maybe a 40%. Who knows? Let's hope today is overall green, though, for the whole market. That's what I'm really, really hoping for. One shot still trying to pump up some Bitcoin, man. I'm with you, dude. I hope we see that 50K retest soon, man. Really do. All right, NS, man. Hey, it's pretty late on my end, too. I'm not going to be up too much later. But thank you for tuning in, man. Greatly appreciate it. Cedric reporting also Whale bought 276 billion Shiba last Thursday. Is that billion worth like in dollar amount or like just Shibas? Like the actual coin itself? There. That's a lot of hooch. I got 40 million. 40.3 million. Hey, Bear. Me personally, man, I'd be holding it. I'm going to look to pick me up some today. Like, see if it's a little red day on Shiba. You know, I might pick me up some. I realized they just ran, 70% as of yesterday as the charts reset like 5 minutes ago. I understand that, but I will pick me up some, man. I know I've been saying I should have, but you missed the boat on stuff like that, man. And that's what happens to you. You're sitting on the sidelines for some good plays like that, and it's all good, man. Oh, so $276 billion worth. He got 6 trillion coins. Wow. That is a significant amount. No, that'd be 276 million. You gotta make me break out the calculator because now I'm rethinking this. Bear. 6 trillion. I like that. Yeah, we'll see what happens the rest of the night, Mr. Rick. Really crazy to see Shiba doing his thing today, man. You know, I was suspecting it would have some pretty good gains when I started talking about it. I didn't expect a 70% gain in one single day. A lot in part to Elon Musk. But that's probably the reason why Dogecoin was pumping too as well. I'd like to see Doge get a 60% gain in one day too again, man. That's when things will really start popping across the whole market again. So we'll see what happens here in the short term. Give me 1 second. I'm looking up something real quick. So as we sit right now, Solana creeping back up. So that 1645 might have been a pretty good buying opportunity. What we saw earlier, 3391. Ethereum creeping ever so closely to that 3400 mark, which we're looking for. Litecoin 168. I would like to see Bitcoin rip above 50. We'll be seeing Litecoin above 170. Avalanche trying to recover today, down a little bit. The chart did not reset for that. So hopefully some of them cryptos, they don't reset right away. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Shiba already down 4%. You could quite possibly head to that 50-day moving average at 1298 and get a rebound. So we'll see what happens there. and Dogecoin trying to turn green on the brand new day. We'll see what happens. Getting some pretty green pumping in. Why don't I have RSI? I did have it. There we go. So RSI is starting to make some newer highs. So continuing that trend on Doge, man. It looks like tomorrow could be a really decent freaking day. Or today, should I say. I keep referring to tomorrow. So that was the headline in the article on TradingView news section. Anonymous whale buys 276 billion Shiba after grabbing 6 trillion coins on Thursday. I got you, man. Awesome. Yeah, definitely good news to know, man. Whoever did that, wow. They're sitting nice right now. You think the boat is missed though? If they say the coin gonna take another zero out, but would be the dip. I don't think in the long term that you actually missed the boat on Shiba. You know, I plan on buying Shiba and holding it for a good 2-3 bull cycles, quite possibly. I mean, time will tell. But if I get 100 million, 200 million Shiba, and that thing hits a quarter of a cent, I'll be sitting really tight, man. I mean, at that point, you know, I would look to probably get rid of some. But I think you can get a quarter of a cent out of it between now and the next bull cycle. It's just so hard to judge because you don't know, you know. Nobody can tell you, hey, Shiba's definitely going to a quarter of a cent. I'm just speculating on what I think it could possibly do between now and possibly 4 years from now. Or it could be 2 years from now. Who knows, man? We'll see what happens. You'd have to erase some zeros, though. But I was with you, Matt. Didn't like Shiba because took off a Dogecoin. Yep. So you were here too, man. You were here from the beginning, man. You already know how it was. And that's 100% correct, man. When it hit Coinbase, I started opening my eyes to it. Then Webull, you know, I'm a big Webull fan. That's what the charts you're looking at right now are on Webull. I'm a big Webull fan. So when Webull picked it up, that's when I was like, man, I really have to rethink my thought process. You know, I never hated Shiba. I just disliked it because I felt like it took a lot of steam away from Doge. But my thought process has changed, man. It really has with these other platforms picking it up. It could definitely do something. Let me change this up. We'll hit this up one more time before I hop off. And hopefully get the day pumping for Bitcoin tomorrow. The chart still looks great, guys. We didn't get the 50K retest on the stream tonight, but we're still setting up for some pretty nice price action. Worst case, we'll get a retest of the 200-day moving average at 48,711. We are setting some lower highs on the RSI right now. But the way we've been stepping up, we could easily pop back. I think once you break Doge 25 cents, that would be a technical breakout level like we've been calling on this stream. I think 25 cents, you could easily work your way back up to 27 really quick and possibly get a lot of FOMO stepping in. So we'll be keeping an eye on it. Shiba, I could pop a pretty nice line on Shiba right now, but it might looks like you're gonna head down to get that retest of that 50-day if you don't start getting some pop soon. So keep that in mind. The 50-day is currently at 12.98. It might be around 13 by the time we do get the retest. We'll see what happens. But start a new day. Ethereum creeping up. I see it here. Looking for that 3,400 retest. We'll see what happens. Glad for a run because I lost both my FFL games this week. Hey, man, it's all good, bro. A little positivity for the night. Hey, that's what we try to do over here at Mass Market, man. Keep everybody positive, even through the dips. So, guys, Let's hope for a real green day today in crypto. If you're not part of the Discord, please make sure to join up. I'll keep everybody alerted. Plus Bear's always in there dropping plays. Just everybody, thank you for all the support, man. Like I said, we crossed 1,620, and while I know that's a small amount of subscribers, for me that's huge, man. You know, especially the path that we've been on for the past couple months, watching everything dip. Thank y'all, man. Really do appreciate all the love and support, all the super chats, all the super stickers, all the likes, all the subscribes. All of it makes my night, man. Makes it worth it for me coming on, getting hyped, getting ready to pump some crypto with y'all. So thank y'all very much. But I'm gonna go look to finish up, do a few things before I hit the sack. It's currently 11:15 where I'm at. I got work in the morning, so I'm gonna have to shut it down. But guys, I will be back streaming tomorrow night. Hopefully we'll be staring at some pretty green crypto prices. Like I said, I'll keep everybody up to date in the Discord if I do see a big change in the direction that we're heading right now. So once again, guys, thank you very much for tuning in to Matt's Market, and I'll see each and every one of y'all